O, ye folk o' the world, can ye see fit's a dee? There is mony a fecht, and we've turned a blinty, with peace and harmony, nae heir to your learning. Ma father I telt ma, nae need for fechten. Aye, if you recognise that tune, that's a tune of Tatties and Heron. But that's my own words. That was when I didn't ken, long before AI and all of that. And I've been a pacifist for a long time. It's nae on thing now. oorNews ken, we're nae about politics, but I'm a pacifist. So I winna hod feast fin I'm seeing folk around the world getting killed over Nathan. Listen, nae Nathan, folk think it's something really important. But ken in the future, well, I think it's awfu' daft. Kind of like human sacrifices. It's fit why we'll think of it. It's daft. Yeah, if you want to come along to oorNews, what about constructive realism? Instead of this destructive tribalism. He's nice see that folk are try to put Aberdeen, Scotland again in another we have a lot more in common. My family are left wing, right wing, unionist, independent supporters. My friends and family are Aberdeen. Like, this is fit nice folk in Scotland are like, we all get along. And that's fit I'm hoping for in the future. They matter fit. We can all just get along. And Scots is for everybody. So if you want something different in terms of news, I come along to oorNews and come and join it. I'm sick of mere folk to come and just ID. And you can all body I've created and come and join in with it.